In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Bluehost. By the end, your domain registered with GoDaddy will point to your hosting account at Bluehost, so visitors see the website you've set up there. First, make sure you're already logged into both your GoDaddy and your Bluehost accounts in a web browser. This will make the process smoother because we'll be copying information from Bluehost and pasting it into GoDaddy. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that before you continue. Once you're signed in, start on your GoDaddy account homepage. From here, go to your My Products page. This is where GoDaddy lists all of the domains and services you own. Look for the domain that you want to connect to Bluehost. If you have several domains, double check that you're selecting the right one, especially if they have similar names. Next, to the right of that domain, you'll see an option labeled DNS. In some layouts, you may see 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. If that's what you see, click those dots and then choose Edit DNS. Both paths take you to the same place, the DNS management page for that specific domain. On the DNS management page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Name Servers. Name servers are what tell the internet which hosting company controls the DNS records for your domain. Right now, your name servers are probably set to GoDaddy's defaults. We're going to change those so Bluehost can manage your DNS instead. In the Name Servers section, click the Change button. This opens up a panel where you can modify how your domain's DNS is handled. You'll see different options here, but what you want to select is I'll use my own name servers or I'll use my own name servers advanced, depending on how it's worded on your screen. This tells GoDaddy that you're going to provide custom name servers from another provider, which in this case is Bluehost. Now, switch over to your Bluehost tab or window just to confirm the name servers you need. For most standard Bluehost accounts, you'll use 2 name servers. The first one is ns1.bluehost.com and the second one is ns2.bluehost.com. Type these carefully into the name server 1 and name server 2 fields back on the GoDaddy page. It's important that they're spelled exactly right with no extra spaces or characters, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from connecting properly. You don't need to add any additional name servers unless Bluehost has specifically provided them to you. For a typical setup, these 2 are enough. When you're confident that both name servers are entered correctly, click the Save button to apply your changes. After you save, GoDaddy may show a confirmation message or ask you to verify that you understand you're switching to custom name servers. Confirm that, and you're done with the setup on the GoDaddy side. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't take effect instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 or even 48 hours for the name server update to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, you might see your old site or a temporary page, and that's normal. Once the changes have propagated, your GoDaddy domain will now point to your Bluehost hosting account, and visitors typing in your domain name will land on your Bluehost hosted website.